All right, so for October 30th ELA assignment, we're on page 128 and 129. We're doing the critical vocabulary 1 through 4, the vocabulary strategy, and the language conventions number 1 through 5. So for critical vocabulary 1 through 4, you're describing what is alike and different about the two words in each pair. So number 1 is eavesdrop and listen. Tell me what is the same and what is different. Number 2, stake and reward. Number 3, foil and intercept. Number 4, predator and enemy. Then the vocabulary strategy. Sometimes you can figure out the meaning of an unfamiliar word by examining its root. A root is a word part that contains the core meaning of the word. For example, sept comes from a Latin root meaning to take. You can use the meaning of the root to figure out that intercept describes the action of taking or stopping someone or something on the way from one place to another. Creating a word family is another way to use a Latin root to determine the meaning of an unfamiliar word. Thinking of other words that include the same root can help you recognize their related meanings and arrive at a meaning for an unfamiliar word. A word family that includes the same root as intercept would include words such as reception, accept, and receptacle. Practice and apply. Think of words related to the word predatory. This word has a Latin root suffix, which comes at the end of the word. The suffix tori or ori mean relating to or having a place for. Fill in the word web. Use with words that have these suffixes. So what are other words that end with tori or ori? So that's what you're doing for the word predator. So you're going to just double click by predator and you're going to tell me 4 other words that end with ori or or. And then language conventions number 1 through 5 down here. Mark the proper nouns and proper adjectives that should be capitalized in each sentence. So there are 5 sentences and you need to tell me what are the proper nouns and what are the proper adjectives. We will do this together during our live meet if you are confused. Otherwise, you just read through the sentence and you just double click 1 through 5 and you tell me proper noun equals, tell me the noun, proper adjective equals, tell me the proper adjective. That's today's assignment.